Purchase request. What is the use of this module? Purchase request is where you can request the items you want that the purchaser will include in the purchase order. How to create a purchase request. From the main menu, go to Vendors and select Purchase Request. At the upper right side of the window, click Create. Fill in the necessary information. Please take note that all fields with an asterisk are required to create the request, while those without the asterisk are optional information. Reference number. Select the prefix if applicable, then provide the reference number or use the auto-numbering suggestion by the system. Date, where you will fill in the date of the request. Delivery date automatically follows the date, but you can edit it to the desired delivery date. Select the supplier of the items from the list. Requisition form is where you can fill in a document reference number. If not applicable, you may leave this blank. Accounts payable has been set as default account upon the creation of our vendor in the vendor list. This will automatically appear when selecting the supplier. After providing the header details, you can now provide the details for the items in Goods tab or Services in Services tab. Go to the Goods tab to fill in purchases to be requested. You can select the item or product from the list. Once you select an item, the system will suggest the unit of measure, description and price automatically based on the information set in the inventory list, but you can also change it based on the actual request. Input the requested quantity. Select the center code to tag the location for each item. You can also record the discount by percent or by amount. To add another item, just click the new line and follow the same steps. Lastly, fill in necessary remarks for easier tracing of the purchase of the request. Then click Save and select a saving option. Save and close if you want to save the transaction and no longer wish to create a new purchase request. Save and new if you wish to save the transaction and create a new purchase request. Save and print if you wish to save the transaction and print the transaction. Save and attach if you wish to save the transaction and attach a supporting document of the transaction. You have just created your purchase request.